What are we doing, Johnny?
We're doing... Oh, let me see. Let me see it. Whoa, what happened it to?
What's happening? What's happening? What is that?
It's a big marshmallow.
Is it a big sticky marshmallow? The plate's hot.
And the marshmallow warm.
The marshmallow is so warm.
So warm, real warm.
Do you like that marshmallow?
Yeah.
Do you want a fork?
No.
No? Are you just going to eat it like that? We got to clean up this kitchen before Mom gets home. Look at all those dishes. Should we clean up? Yeah. Sure. All right. I love you, Johnny Cakes.
And then...
Do you love that marshmallow?
Mm-hmm.
It's so good. Say goodbye, Dad.
Goodbye, Dad.